I'm Scott Doing at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Harris 240 Solstice. This boat has 24 foot of deck length. It's rated for 14 people or just shy of 2,000 pounds, has wraparound seating in the bow, passenger side walk-through, flip down armrests, 12-foot bimini top, L-shaped bench seating, Mercury 200 Verado Pro, flip down 4-step telescoping ladder, and swim step. The backrest flips towards the front to make a very good rear-facing spotter seat. The dash has a Polk stereo head unit, as well as a Simrad Go 5, active trim, and digital throttle shift. Sitting at the dash of this boat, you'll notice it's very well appointed, has a lot of attention to detail with wood grain, with top stitched visor. This is a Simrad Go 5 unit. It's going to have your down scan. It's also going to have your chart plotter. It's going to have your fish finder. It's going to have your depth sounder. It's going to do all of your navigation for you. Polk head unit. This unit's nice because it is Bluetooth compatible. Of course, inside your glove box, there is also a USB port and an auxiliary jack. If you want to plug your phone in, you can run your music that way. All the Mercury 200 Verado Pros are all digital throttle shifts, so there's no more cable connecting your throttle to your engine. It's all done electronically now, as well as the Mercury auto trim. This is done automatically. Instead of raising your engine up and down this way while you're operating the boat, it's all done automatically, or you can override the system and turn it off. There's 5 different presets for it. This boat's rated for 14 people, or just shy of 2,000 pounds, so plenty of room for you and all your friends to come out. Up in the front of the boat, wraparound seating all the way around, as well as built-in storage underneath all of your seats. Really nice hinges on board all of the Harrises. Gives you a little bit more room to open up the seat a little further and the seats stay open for you. There is a aerated live well built underneath the front seat. This is pretty well insulated for you too, so if you want to use it as a built-in cooler, it works very well for that. In-floor storage, plenty of room for your life jackets, your noodles, your floats, all the stuff you're going to be bringing out with you. Storage built into all of the backrests of all of your chase lounges. Plenty of room for extra coolers, towels, all the stuff that you're going to be bringing with you. Moving to the back of the boat, you'll notice very nice flip down swim platform on the back. Sits underneath the water for you. Nice place for the kids to stand while they're swimming around, or dogs can use this to get back in the boat if you take dogs out with you when you go boating. 4-step telescoping ladder extends down into the water a lot farther than the competitors. Makes it much easier to get in and out of the water. Huge built-in storage underneath the back of this boat. Now this is the cover. All of our fenders, all of our life jackets are also stored in there, so plenty of room for you. What makes this model very popular is that flip-flop backrest. It allows someone to sit here facing backwards while you're pulling the kids on the tubes and on the skis. Probably the most comfortable spotter seat you're ever going to see. We ordered this boat also with a tandem bimini top, so it does have a bimini that extends all the way to the front of the boat, provides a lot of shade for you. And the thing you'll notice about this bimini, it's nice and tall. I'm 6'2", so this bimini's probably a good 7.5 foot tall, so plenty of room for tall people to walk under the boat. If you have any questions on this boat or any of the others that we have, please pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop into the office and see us. We look forward to talking to you soon.